Hello guys, today in a quick tutorial I will show you how to add HDR to any game that doesn't support it. For this tutorial you need to download SpecialK and add the game you want HDR on to the tool. For this guide, I will be using Wuthering Waves. First, open SpecialK and make sure you have added the game to the tool correctly. For games that run in administrator mode, make sure to tick the elevated permission box inside of the game properties or else SpecialK won't work. Now, launch the game through SpecialK. If you see the on-screen notifications, then SpecialK worked. If you don't see these pop-ups, then go back and check if you have added the game to SpecialK properly. First, you need to enable high dynamic range. You can either enable it yourself in the settings, use the game bar shortcut Windows plus Alt plus B, or let SpecialK temporarily enable HDR when the game is running. Either will work. Now, simply click on HDR Setup and then sRGB HDR. You will see a message telling you to press Alt-Enter a few times. Do this until you see HDR is activated. If Alt-Enter doesn't work, you can also restart the game. The last step is to simply click on the Profile Display Capabilities button and change the luminance clipping point to the maximum brightness supported by your screen. If you don't know this value, then it's shown at the Advanced Display section inside of Windows Settings. The recommended way of using this is to put your screen brightness at 100% and then make any brightness adjustment using the brightness scale slider. Preset 0 or 1 should already look good, but if you encounter any issue you can play around with the gamma and other settings. That's it for this tutorial. If it helped you out, please like and subscribe.